This 2021 Holiday Rambler Endeavor 38N triple slide, 2 full baths, bunk beds is a diesel pusher RV. It is located in Williamstown, New Jersey, 08094 and is offered for sale by White Horse RV Center. This used Holiday Rambler is 38 feet 8 inches in length and features 3 slideouts, a Waterford decor with Nutmeg Cabinetry interior, sleeps 9, slideout, auxiliary battery, air conditioning, Skylight, self-contained, TV, and 105 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this diesel pusher features bunk beds, bunk over cab, mid-bunk, mid-kitchen, outdoor entertainment, rear bedroom, 2 full baths. This 2021 Holiday Rambler Endeavor 38N triple slide, 2 full baths, bunk beds is built on a Freightliner Custom Modular chassis and is powered by a Cummins engine. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by White Horse RV Center, visit RVUSA.com.